Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Mentor Talks, the another episode. As you know very well, this is me Rida Tashmeen, the host of this session. Today's episode is very special because we have a very talented, young and beautiful guest, Miss Aman Bukhari. She has recently completed her English language course from the Mentor Institute of Language and IT. She is very dedicated and good student of the Mentor Institute. What makes her journey inspiring that she is also continuing her study and as well as she is serving as a teacher, which reflects her commitment through growth and dedication. Let's explore her journey. Assalamu alaikum, Miss Aman Bukhari. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah. Can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Yes. First of all, thank you for having me on this podcast.
Most welcome.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's me Aman Bukhari, daughter of Mahmood Arif Bukhari, and I was the student of Mentor Institute of Language and IT. That's it.
Okay. Miss Aman Bukhari, how do you feel being a guest on this podcast today?
I feel really excited and honored of the guest on this podcast, and it is a very great opportunity for me to share my journey and confidence with others.
Okay. Now let's move forward to her journey. I'm very excited for listening her journey, challenges, and the struggles. Okay. Why did you decide to join English language course at the Mentor Institute?
I'm decided to join in this English language course because I wanted to improve my communication skills, confidence, and speaking. So, and I believe that English is very important for educations and future opportunities. So, I choose the Mentor Institute of Language and IT to help me learn in a better way.
Okay. What was your English language before starting this journey?
Before starting the English language course, my English level was basic. I could understand some English words, but I was not confident in speaking, and I also felt shy while talking in English, and I made many grammar mistakes.
Okay. What changes have you noticed in your English now?
Mm, After completing this course, I noticed a big improvement. Like my communication skills become a better, and I can express my thoughts more clearly than before.
And now I am seeing that you are so confident and mashallah, you are speaking so good. And our
Thank you.
audience is observing this thing. Okay, nice. Which part of your course did you enjoy the most? The speaking, grammar, or any another activity?
Yes, the speaking parts I enjoyed the most of this course because it helped me to improve my communication skills, confident, and I also liked learning new things and using them in my daily routine.
And I also like the speaking part because in this part we enjoy a lot. We make so
Yes.
much fun by learning English language. Nice. Was there anything difficult in learning?
Yes, in the beginning, English speaking fluently was very difficult for me, and I felt afraid and nervous of making mistakes. But with regular practice, the teacher support, and class activity, I improved and become more confident.
Nice. Okay, is there any memorable day you have spent in your classes?
Yeah, a memorable day from my class was a gaming day.
Okay.
That when we play a game and that made my class.
Have you
fun
ever
and-
won in the gaming day?
Yeah, one time.
One time.
And I always won on the end-to-end game.
Okay, means you are master in, you are expert in that game.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Do you feel more confident speaking English now?
Yeah, I can feel more confident when I communicating. This course helped me to improve my communication skills, speaking, and confident, which increase my confidence.
Okay, now have you used the English language skills in your real life?
I have used English language skills, my skills in real life many times. For example, I can now better communicate during presentation, online
Good.
learning, and I also understand English content more easily than
And now
before.
also in teaching as well, you are
Yeah.
using your English methods for the students. Nice. What message would you like to give to the audience who are learning English?
Yes, I want to tell this audience that making mistakes is a part of life. So don't be afraid in speaking and practice. Confidence comes from practice, and the more you speak, become better.
Okay, as we know that you were the student of the Mentor Institute, and we feel really proud of you that these type of students who are representing the Mentor Institute of Language and IT. Would you recommend this course to our audience?
Yes, definitely. I would recommend the course. It very helpful for us, and because it improved our communication skills, speaking, and the teacher on this institute, the teachers are very supportive, and learning environment was very friendly.
May you
Very
share who was your favorite teacher in your institute?
uh, First of all, Sir Imtiaz.
Just Sir Imtiaz Shah.
Yeah.
Okay, was there any another teacher?
Yes, as you.
Okay, nice. If you want to describe your journey in a single word, what would be?
If I had to describe my journey in one word, it would be transformative.
Nice. Oh, great. That was so good podcast with her. She shared so many things, and that was inspirable journey which she shared. That now she has built her confidence, and as you are saying that watching our podcast, that she has improved herself. Inshallah, we will meet soon in the another podcast with a new guest. Signing off, Ms. Rida Tashveen. Allah Hafiz for now.